Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi K30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, open Play Store and type Magic Fluids. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it and click at the bottom right corner. Choose Settings, click I accept and customize your wallpaper however you want to. When you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner again. Choose Set as Live Wallpaper, click Set Wallpaper and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of these options. Now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!